Hello everyone. So last week I showed you how to make these yummy, colorful, easy to make and delicious Oreo pops. And today I'm gonna make something very similar in the form of cake pops. So let's get to it. So I've just got my basic vanilla cake recipe, cake batter ready with me in a piping bag. Once you've got that ready, you need to heat up your cake pop maker for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then once it's heated up, pipe in your cake batter. Make sure you don't overfill the cake batter because that would form rings around your cake pop. So leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and once it's ready, you should be able to easily take it out with a skewer. So once that's taken out, once all of your cake pops are ready, you're just gonna stick your lollipop stick onto the cake pop and let that set before we get to dipping. So once your cake pop is ready to be dipped, you just need to take your chocolate, your melted chocolate. I've just got some melted compound chocolate with me because it's a perfect consistency for dipping. And I've got 3 kinds of sprinkles, some hundreds and thousands, and some beautiful rainbow sprinkles as well. So next you just need to take your cake pops and dip them into the melted chocolate, let the excess chocolate drip, and then you're going to take your sprinkles and then just put them onto your cake pops, and it's easy as that. So let's see how to do another one. Just like that, dip your chocolate, let the extra chocolate drip, and just put on your beautiful sprinkles onto it. As you can see, it's so beautiful and just simple work, and it looks so nice and colorful. Kids love it, and it's so delicious as well. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.